this was such a
She said, I can't help you, but here.
hope. I wasn't even, thinking that this would be any time in the next.
And I said, did she ask you to come down to her house and fix this?
You're worried about the outside. You're working on your own. You're not worrying about what's going on inside.
How long did you guys do your own work before you had any volunteer help?
Just this is it. We haven't had any volunteer work. We started. He had some people that he that were helping, that were getting paid to do it. But he's not, he doesn't have his own company, so he was paying them, daily, whatever they did. We had all kinds of problems.
Well,
and all kinds of contractors come
this is
through
motivating us. We both
right
got a whole
afterwards
paper.
when all
Right. I promised her I would come in and help
her
out.
roof replaced,
Loretta
and
said she
then
was,
I guess it started leaking just as I
Janelle
left
and
town,
Fran. I
and
said,
then
I would
right
come and help
down
you pull it
on
off.
the same street, there was another person that got their house fixed, and then people came back in and took
That's
everything.
your
That's what I told her.
And at the same time, we were having these people call up, give us their cards, we'll just take the insurance estimate. We'll get up there and do it for that. And we were like, no, we won't, because that included a fence, tree removal, stuff outside that you guys can't even see. And they didn't get out and measure the house or anything. We had a terrible time. I mean, just, you couldn't find anybody. So finally Dave got up on the roof. And he hired some people to help him, because otherwise we wouldn't have any ceilings up. It was just pouring in here. And he did that, and he kept going.